Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of my desk for my setup, which is the Ikea Bekant desk. It is the 55-inch version. There's also a 47-inch version and a 63-inch version, I believe. I have the black one. It comes in many other colors. I think there's white and there's maybe a beige colored one. I'm going to talk to you guys about what I like about it. So first, I like how it's adjustable. The legs are adjustable. You can adjust them to whatever height you would like. They're not, you have to go in and manually adjust them. They're not, there's no like button to raise it and lower it, but if you want, you can choose the perfect height you want, and it'll stay that height. And I like the mountability of the desk. It's got a thin edge to it, so you can mount microphones like I have over there and other things you would like to mount to it. It's also a very sturdy desk and it's pretty cheap, $169 for this version. The longer version is more expensive and the shorter version is a little bit cheaper, as you would probably think. Now I'm going to get into the one thing that I didn't really like about this desk, which, good thing it's like an optional feature, but it comes with a little cable pouch underneath, which you can see that I'm not using. Don't mind my cable management. Some of my clips have fallen, so I need to fix that. But anyways, it comes with a pouch that will go into, I don't know if you can see up here, but there's little holes that the pouch goes into, and you can use it to hold your cables up with it. But the one thing I just don't like about it is that it was way too tight under here, and it was hard to fit a lot of stuff in under it for me. So it was kind of difficult. Like all these stuff would have been super tight up there, and it was hard to like get even these little cable outlets. I don't know if you can see, it's back here. It was hard to just fit that under it, and it was really annoying, so I had to take it off, and I'm just mounting stuff to the desk normally. But besides that, I like everything else about this desk. It looks clean, it's minimal. I really like it, and I would suggest it to a lot of you people out there if you just want a plain desk, no extra features, sturdy, and different colors to choose from. Alright, thank you guys for watching.